but
No, you don't have to. You don't have to. If that works for you, then do it.
yo. Okay. Usingaleni?
No, I was asking about your Jan.
Mna no ando Jan. Janini beyenza sense lo nto.
I logically ayenzi sense, but through the game ke nento zakhona i-terminologies ezikhoyo.
I feel like it's dangerous lando.
Yeah.
By intombi ezibiza ngeJani. Because yabona mna ndingatsho uthi qhathana uthutaloyithi like I'm old minded mna.
Yeah.
Yabo since like mamelo khanye banibona mameli ojizo Kera S1 Rhapsody. So mna I respect i-tradition kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yabo and andithanda udlalela ngapha ya. So I feel like it's dangerous noba nami iJani isidoda kwathi nti afuna uthetha ngaka afuna uzazi bakwenzeka ntoni afuna uzazi. So mna my part zibize ngamajani be right mna ngumeli mna I'm a girl 100%.
Yeah.
Cha
Awuncengwanga.
yo hayi
Hey, it's your boy Kaufman. I'm out here in Cape Town. Kuguleta Barcelona, my in the pole. South Africa, man. It's yet another beautiful episode of the Black Couch Podcast. Shout out to everyone who's subscribed on our YouTube channel. Shout out to everyone who's following us on Instagram and Facebook at the Gas Mayhem TV. We see the love that we've been getting on our TikTok page, the Gas Mayhem TV, man. We're dropping incredible content. There's a lot of things that happened during the week and during the weekend. And it's nice to say that a lot of people are showing us so much love, internationally included. And shout out to Ikeja for sponsoring this episode. Go to www.ikeja.co.za and check it out, man. It's only 350 rands per month. Uyeke ucakamela ilanga emasomaliyeni. Otherwise, it's the best Wi-Fi in town, man. Namhlanje, we have a special guest in the platform. The one and only Umalindi.
yo
Maylee. How are you doing?
the right
I'm good. You look nervous. What's going on? What's going on? You seem nervous.
hey hi man but the right mna so
Huh?
the right
It's any cheese on the couch.
no hey the couch lena inenza nervous the couch lena
Why so
but
though?
vaseni the right.
So like for someone who's watching right now and trying to figure it out, who is Maylee and what you all about?
Okay, Umeli nguSiphokuhle Malindi, but then Umeli Malindi, I'm an artist, rapper, and too much Wi-Fi brand ambassador.
I know you had to shove it in.
Ewe, ayaziwe.
Ibosses zethu zoyithulo bazibukele right now.
Ngababukele. Ude balekele. Yo.
Yeah. So like I want to tell you something. Like the first time I was introduced to you, it was through Pro Child.
Yeah.
And I was still wondering, like, how did you meet Pro Child, and what was the main reason for you together to be like, this person, I can work with this person?
Ne. Okay, yam no Pro Child was not planned, like like it just happened because then ngibona ku internet like he was doing ixesha lala Spaza yabo uyihlo, like he was trending yabo, and mna ndiyathanda iSpaza yabo and awuthanda umculo like we rap and namamela ngqomba yo this guy is dope, so nathatha a chance nam DM and I thought akazundiphendula ndathi yo I love your music, do you want lala Spaza uNtswebo, and then he replied, and then usuka ngalamini like he's been giving me advice yabo career yam about what I should do yabo, and then sadibana one introducer, he's the one who actually introduced me to Submarine and the whole team yabo, so one introducer kubo And yeah, and then we took it from there. So
Yeah. I think one of the highlights, because I'm gonna be bad with timeline, yeah, bo,
yeah.
because it's been a long time, yeah, but I think one of the highlights was when there was I think was it a school tour
High school tour.
in your school,
Yeah.
and you happened to perform. Tell me about that. How was that?
AP Lake approach out kanye Holy Alpha.
I think it got Holy Alpha, but they before, man. Like I remember I saw a video that was done by, I don't know if you petong with camera. Who's this guy? Mandilake.
Oh, yeah, Holy Alpha.
Yeah.
Yeah, Holy Alpha. It was 2020, I think 2022.
Yeah.
Yeah, it was 2022. Yeah, so Holy Alpha was doing a high school tour on a sports scene, MTN. So it was a talent search, yeah, where they wanted to look for a artist is in. So I took my chance, Paya, and I had confidence, and performing a question, to be honest. I performed Paya, and to my surprise, the winner. Yeah, so yeah, Sam Soccer Sports in Alpha, and I won the voucher at 2K. It is my first time owning a match Cotton Fest. But I will have a shout out to Mama Ghost for that.
Yeah.
But yeah. That was a wonderful experience. Otherwise,
Yeah.
highlighting cool.
Yeah. What would you say is a reflection of what you earned from that? Go.
The Funde give her back.
Yeah.
Yabo, Funde give her back because I don't have much now because now I'm but
I thought you have too much.
Hey, okay. I see what you did there. Okay, but yeah, I try my best to help Abandu as much as I can, as much as but then it taught me to give back, honestly.
Yeah. That for me, that was a great highlight because, like, I don't know whose video I was watching, like whose platform I was watching it from, the video, but when I saw it, I was like, okay, cool. There's something happening because, like, I was always in Mfuleni for the longest time. People even thought I stay in Mfuleni. Used to do sessions in what do you call that place? At the Kral, which is like opposite hardware Epadale.
Okay.
Yeah. And then we also did shows in Maweleni. We did shows a library. There were sessions a library. Like there was so much going on, and then all of a sudden everything went quiet. And I was like, ish, that's my cue for me. Let me leave.
Because
Probably.
I don't remember any of that.
Probably you're very young. So like I went because I was like, hey guys, I can't stay like this. I'm a workaholic.
Yeah.
So if there's nothing happening, I'm leaving. Yeah, away. And seeing that now Mfuleni has
Very busy.
Yeah, it got back its momentum.
Yeah.
But how do you feel being part of that? Well,
Ingxaki yabona culture, especially hip hop, khayilitsha oko, khayilitsha this, khayilitsha that. Qomba man team yam masenzeni something man. Yabo khayilitsha oko, ikhona culture Mfuleni sine graphic designers, sine fashion designers, we got the artists, we got singers. Qomba like let's create this movement man. Yabo sizamuna upushana, and that's what we're doing. Like it feels amazing food because the when we yasebenza kakhulu.
Yeah. But in the midst of the so-called new wave, do you feel like people understand your music?
My music?
Yeah, because the reason why I'm asking is because I know like one of the people that inspires you, Kukanyi.
Yeah, it was this guy.
And I've always listened to her for the longest time, like Sister Lam. I understand.
Yeah.
And I know if I be Ake. And I know that there was an experience on the roasting session, Hip Hop Cypher, whereby you were not happy about the beats that were thrown in, but gave majority. I vote about and I could sense that you feeling like if ever the beats were a bit like laid down, boom bap vibes, you could have like expressed yourself much better.
Yeah, lento ndithethayo yabo bani like ngimamele isiphaza kakhulu. So I'm comfortable with sound kakhulu because it's where I started, yabo. So I do feel like people don't understand my music, Shem. Understand that like zero G's, I can say, no offense, but abantu abawaziyo umculo, they do understand my music, yabo. Yeah, but then man guys, but now I'm learning to be versatile. Otherwise, going to trap nekwaito ngoku into entsha.
Yeah.
Yeah, but then
What made you to gravitate towards Mamtol?
okay, so here's a story ne. Mna dimamela iDramascope, dimamela o Fifi Cooper like back then
Yeah,
primary yabo. So andazi njani but as ndimele iDramascope but andimazi uKhanyi. Yabo andazi kwakunjani yabo yenzeka njani lonto yabo. So mna I was introduced to Fifi Cooper and then later on Indigo Stella yabo le wave intsha ifikayo. So ndiqomba Indigo Stella is dope. That's Indigo Stella is the best female based South Africa. Yabo ndaposta lona ku Facebook ekibini. Then enye cousin yam kineyo wa reply wathi uyamazi uKhanyi. Ndithi uKhanyi man anthanda ba wrong musi mna. Qomba xa sithi Indigo is the best. Yabo qomba yamazi uKhanyi qoma ngibani uKhanyi wathi akamazi ku social media but unawo umculo wakhe qoma ndamkhangela ndakaza namfumana siphume eGoogs namamela pha ndithi ha njani I love to be ngamazi ngexesha and since then ke woku I've been listening to her music not just listening but ufunda kwi message athetha ngazo yabo I think that's when I started changing ndingatsho yabo it's because of influence yakhe kakhulu.
Yeah, for me, Ukhanyi is like the only person that I can say she never wore the female title, like the female rapper title.
Ne?
She was just a rapper. Yeah, but she is just a rapper. Of course, Ngoku, Ngumzali, and she's taking care of Ubuzali bakhe. And I have like one of the most incredible stories about Ukhanyi. I remember, I think 2014, I was working on my mixtape and I was working with this vocalist, Okuthiwa Okuhle, the vocalist, and we're about to perform for the first time a sports complex, Gugulethu Sports Complex. So it was always a big deal to perform there because the history goes from a long way from all NYs. Zonke eza shows that iDramascope, Ill Skills, all the groups zalapha even as Kailija grew up from. Yeah, understand, and a lot of people were discovered in one of those shows, Abomlam Liabo. So performing there was a big deal, and I was a bit nervous, but these are Lenza Night Clash, and there were newspapers that day, there were media, and then we performed Ingoma Yam. It was a love song, and with the vocalist, we killed it. Yeah, I understand. And there's a lot of his claws up. To my surprise, one day and she was like, "Yo, ndiyasithanda isiXhosa sakho." Yeah, but I was shocked. I was like, "Damn, wena isiXhosa sakho sitsokotile more than mine." But you're saying this, yeah, I understand. And then fast forward, I think 3 years later, I'm working with this girl called Yonela. Yonela hit me up. It's like, "Hey, Kofi, ekhaya kukho something yabo eHazelton ngasikuze yabo uzodlala umculo umakhulu wami une birthday yabo." Okay, no stress, I'll pull up.
Ungena DJ kanje?
Yabo. No, playing guitar. I was a DJ back then. I was a DJ. I'm still like a part-time DJ. Yabo. I'm not a full-time anymore. But like wayifuna nizodlala umculo ngeguitar yabo. So when I got there I was like, "No man, ndikhulele kule kasi and I know for a fact that kukuloKhanyi yabo."
Lendlu uyodlala yo ndingafa
yabo. And then when I got in nyani yabo ndadibana ne-cousin yakhe wayengcanywa kumntana kuloKhanyi yabo. Abembulisa yabo Khofu lapha yabo. And ke wayesothuka because there was a transition. Ngoku ndandichapha ke banani ngu-DJ.
Mano Yonela Yoshmavi. Ku Facebook.
I just forgot ifani yakhe but ayingengomava. Wavele waduka man, I don't know where she went yabo lawe. But when we got there, I was like, let me hold my cool, yabo. Let me just do what I'm here for. So nadlalela uOledi and I killed it, yabo, and she was happy. And ungikhwece ecaleni ke ngokuKhanyi ba yo umuntu onwabisa uOledi onwabisa mina, yabo. And I was like, I'm grateful, yabo lawe. So ndidlala ingoma yakhe ngeguitar like a cover, yabo, and she was shocked and she started rapping. I can't remember which one, yabo. But she started rapping with yeah, I understand. And then later on, Sapuma Pandli. So there was one of his producers, yabo, Ukosh also produced for iDramascope. So sihleli soba 3 and then we jamming. So ndamkhumbuza ngokuba, do you remember that you met me before and you said this to me? And she was shocked, like, sir, you the guy? I'm like, yeah, I'm the guy. But like, what's the transition? Because that beats. What's going on with the guitar?
Versatile.
So I told him, nah, man, I'm transitioning. Yeah, I understand. And till this day, she never forgot who I am, and she always appreciates new talent. That's what I like about her. Have you connected with her?
Yo, abantu believe Leno, but I've never met her.
Yeah.
Like Zange namu, like yo too. But then we have talked.
Yeah.
Phoning.
Yeah.
I think twice. She was wishing me birthday. Yo. So it's screenshot a lot of frame. Yeah, we have talked guy too, I think.
Yeah. I think you got introduced to her when she was busy with traveling. Cause like she's been in Europe.
Swaziland, America, yeah.
So I think you got introduced to her at that time. Yeah, and then fast forward the times, you do a song with Pro Child called Weigh Me Down. Before we go to Weigh Me Down, there was an event organization called Made in CPT. I think that's where I saw the song first, when you were performing it with Pro Child. What would you say Made in CPT was for you, and also like what kind of role it played in also enhancing the brand yakho?
Okay, Made in CPT, like, it did as good as an artist, I don't want to lie, because we would look forward to it. Like, we want to be on the next edition. And it came to a point where because like I enjoy performing. So it played a really, really big role. It made me comfortable on the stage. Like, it made me like in the kwazu, qhalana mic, qhalana the audience. You know, yeah. Like, it really played a big part.
Yeah, but your experience with the song, itself, because it's a dope song.
Weigh Me Down.
Yeah,
it took a while because like engage Weigh Me Down because it's a boom bap song. Old school. So the minute abantu benibona abangazongena stage nifike nithi bitch I'm pretty and then I figure about woman kick no cap, and then abantu like okay. So it took a while. Not choice because ngicule into enzayo lo wani ongcebe ba accept. Baphila right, like abantu ngoku they want me to perform Weigh Me Down. Like but Weigh Me Down, and they know the lyrics and they know the and Weigh Me Down is doing good on Spotify, guys, to my surprise. People are listening to Weigh Me Down, but otherwise shout out to everyone all the time to Weigh Me Down, guys.
Yeah, that's nice, man. Like in terms of Uthando, would you say that the love on social media reflects the love in real life for you?
Mostly, ewe.
Yeah.
Mostly. I would say mostly because abazumthanda bonke.
Yeah, of
and
course.
abanthandi bonke.
Yeah.
But easy ku social media, like ungabahoyi abantu abathetha into embi ngawe, because it can be one or two people. So like bagqunywe ngaba bathetha into ezinhle. And then real life abatazi isibini zone confront abathi abathetha le bethetha phone because uthini ukhenye divile bethetha ngami ekusay into ntangami lento ixelela abahlali ubengenoyithetha nami. So it's basically that. So face to face ngathi bayakwazi act. Because they don't have the guts. So I will say mostly abantu banthanda.
Don't you think that it's just a social media cloud labels about comment in such ways or make such speculations about you, and then when they meet you face to face, then they back in their shells?
When they meet me face to face, bayanthanda, bayanfota, bayanpost, which is, it doesn't make any sense, because mnandi ngathi it's not because of, okay, it is because of the cloud, but antan uchomna, I would say it's peer pressure. Because umdu, and also depression, abantu ba depressed apha phandle, umuntu uhleli usivalele kunabazivalelwe kuye, and then ubona lo mnana like upostwa every time everywhere like and I feel like I can do that better than lo mntana yabo and then
Yeah.
aqala comment ezazini so mna I understand people need therapy.
I'm not laughing about it, but I get you. Like
Yabo
I'm not laughing
I
about
learned to
it.
be mature about it shame afuna uxoxa.
Yeah.
Like
yeah.
I learned to be mature asangikhathazi anymore.
Yeah.
Yabo, yeah.
That's really powerful because there's another narrative that I hate so much about you. I really hate that narrative.
Hey, he play.
And for me it feels like abantu abanando yothetha ngoku. And also like when you get interviewed, people ask you that same question and I'm like, I want us to kill it right now. I want us to kill that question. And I want to understand, where do you think that question stems from? Yeah, bo? Because for me, why can't people appreciate a male and a female working together? Why does it has to be sexualized? Or there has to be something going on for them to work together?
What's the question though?
The question is that, where do you think the whole thing of pro child now stems from? Because I want to kill it today.
Ne?
Yeah. I want to kill it. Especially
Okay.
if it's not the truth. I want to kill it.
No, it's not the truth, Shama.
Yeah.
And it gets to a point where I get tired of explaining myself because
Yeah.
I'm trying to be one.
Yeah.
Because abantu they create social media like cookie AI, cookie no abantu so like the more iminyaka yama the more baba advantage to technology.
Yeah.
So they create all these stories, they create as documentary, post ku YouTube, sitheke kuthiwa sasathintini. So mna I actually like what they're doing because ngoku I'm still upcoming ne and I'm still a kid actually yabo kwi game. So ngokuba ndifundisa uba xa nje celebrity nje phana kwi mainstream izinto ziyenzeka. So bantraina kwangoku actually bona bacinga bayas destroy but they're actually helping us because ngoku bayas preparation ngokuba kids xa sibig kakhulu
Yeah.
izinto ziyenzeka yabo. And then me and Pro Child as ndithetha yabo
Yeah.
like I look up to Pro Child
Yeah.
yabo. He actually like nguye like on advisor on how to kwingoma yam like I prefer kubekho yena studio xa
Yeah.
record yabo like angichazela uba okay apho ngabheka apha uthi upethe uthi yabo. So kwamna ukuze ndim approach was because I love his music and I look up to him and ngoku we became really close sabai family and I really appreciate Pro Child. That's why ndingazuza explainer
Yeah.
ebantwini because kunini uthetha nenye hayi bo guys kunini siphinda day-one. There is nothing going on between me
Yeah.
and Pro. There's nothing
Yeah.
going on. It's just pure art and pure love, that's all.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now we closed it now. Akomdo opina kubuze lo
Hey,
nonsense.
hayi man, yeah.
Akomdo
Wasasiphila ngokwabo.
opina kubuze lo
Wasasiphendula
nonsense.
this time.
Because for me, I really hate it because it's the
Yeah.
same reason I kind of like dim down in working with females. Yeah, but for me, I hate being associated with that kind of attitude or that kind of behavior. Yeah, I understand, because now it kind of like blocks talent, it blocks the potential. Yeah, I understand, because now people can't see a male and a female working together.
Fana, it's like the Nicki Minaj and Lil Wayne thing.
Yeah.
Yabo, kuya YMCMB. Yabo. So we've been there, we came, man. Guys, this doesn't like all the time. So that
Yeah,
doesn't really do
yeah,
anything to me, actually.
yeah.
Yabo, yeah.
Nah, we're good now. We're not gonna go back to that.
Yeah.
Like, I want to ask you, what can you say about your camp? Like, what's so nice about your camp, and what do you appreciate much about your camp?
Can be amazing. Team yam.
Yeah, including your manager, Sab.
Aw, vethoda. No, lilisa ngoku. Okay. Wow. Like our first meeting like ever ngoku Pro andisa ku Tasap actually. Taloid, biza Taloid mna, yabo.
Yeah.
So Pro wandi introduce ku Taloid and our first ever meeting like he was straightforward. Wangichazela uba okay apha siyabona ba sifuna umuntu esomfaka ku team yethu and we see that we have bright future and we are different. And wachaza uTalot but into attracted kum it's because of his sound yam. Yabo, and the way I dress like in the different and I don't even care about what people say.
Yeah.
Yabo. So they were genuine from the beginning. Yabo. Banchazeba, we don't have much to offer, but we are willing to grow with you. Yabo. Okay, I love this. And the opportunities was
Yeah.
yeah. And we became family. Yabo. It came to a point where Nanetimyam, we're besties. Like they know everything about me and I know everything about them.
Yeah.
Yabo. Like even personal things like outside Mgulo.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're basically family, man, and I appreciate them a lot. That's why like bond here to like it's really strong. It figure like point about
You probably date the whole team.
Hey, chini, aibo, much yo, aibo.
That's the perks, man, of being in the
Yeah,
industry.
yeah,
There'll
and-
always be speculation.
Yeah, and I'm the only girl, Kutumyam.
Yeah.
Which is the exciting part, Shabko, I don't wanna lie. I'm the
Yeah.
only girl, and 80% of the time they forget I'm a girl.
Yeah.
But they treat me like I'm one of them, and now I
Yeah.
love that because now I'm and Kula and a cousin brother
Yeah.
so like it doesn't do it. That's why I'm surprised, but bro is that's my dog fed like
Yeah.
player la Chani,
Yeah.
so yeah man, I really appreciate my team.
Talking about Ubali Khuzu, I remember there was a comment that was complaining about you and your tal. Yeah, bo.
Me and my tal.
Yeah, and then you responded to that like
That's it,
I can't remember what you
and
said.
it's like okay, me and my tal. I used to speak to the tal kakhulu. Going to banana pro.
Yeah.
And pro what I may this is
Yeah.
but then ayona controller actually.
Yeah,
It's
yeah.
because sihlale lokushini,
Yeah.
hlala team yam. So boy, mocho kanjani uzethi oko. So yangena lato.
Yeah.
Because we are what we listen to, or we are where we live, okay?
Yeah.
So, man, guys, and so it's not that anymore.
Yeah.
That's yeah, but
How
yeah.
you Jan, man?
Nah, you are. No, come.
Because the reason why I'm asking, there has been that wave for some time. I don't know if it's a corner. Because now sometimes I get lost in the industry. Because like I'm not always there. Yeah, bo. And I'm not always like on social media like that. If I'm on social media, I'm posting.
Yeah.
That's it.
We live on social media basically.
I guess.
We live sebenza pha.
I guess you always live, Kaloko.
Nah.
Yeah.
Jazama ikuhlisa izinga but
No, you don't have to.
ah
You don't have to. If that works for you, then do it.
yo okay usingaleni
Now I was asking about your Jan.
mna no ando Jani Jani beyenza sense lonto
I logically ayenzi sense, but through the game ke nento zakhona i-terminologies ezikhoyo.
I feel like it's dangerous lando
Yeah.
by into misibiza ngejani because yabona mna ndingatsho uthi qhathana uthutaloid like I'm old minded mna
Yeah.
yabo since like mamelo khanye banibone mamelo ojizo Kera S1 Rhapsody so mna I respect i-tradition kakhulu
Yeah.
yabo and andithanda udlalela ngapha ya so I feel like it's dangerous noba nami ijani isidoda kwathi nti afuna uthetha
Yeah.
ngala afuna uzazi bakwenzeka ntoni
Yeah,
afuna uzazi so mna my part zibize ngamajani be right mna ngumale mna I'm a girl 100%
Yeah.
ha
Awuncengwanga.
yo hayi no hey
Like I want why there's something that I like about you.
ne
Uthole study impahla zikatatakho.
yo
Uyazithanda impahla
yini
zikatatakho,
ukhathi.
and they fit you so well. Like I feel like that's another side of you that I really appreciate is that you are creative.
ne yeah, I try yabo tata I love I'm old school iyajika noma ndithetha but I'm old school
Yeah.
yabo I love fashion again like this and tata nizampatha zakudala bona ezinxibile ngiqomba yona le ngenza crop top lento ndinxibe nalento yami nale color it's nice and akamind uyanika yabo as long as ngazozimosha ngazosika because ngithanda usika as long as ngazosika yabo but then I love clothes man I love clothes kakhulu futhi
Do you think that that's gonna be one of your signatures as an artist? Because I know there's people like the late Mercado, who else? Oscar Mbo,
Oscar Mbiao.
Okanye, you understand? They have their signature look.
Yeah,
understand? And besides music, la brand your look is rich.
And it's very important.
Yeah, I
also
understand.
Very
So do you
important.
say that? Do you think now we're like you potentially taking that route?
Ish, and the time was normal, ne?
Yeah.
But then I know how to dress him. Yeah, well, but then I believe. I don't believe. I know. Oba, that's one of my like strong points. Yabo, because indlela enginxiba ngayo, that's the first thing that attracts people, that attracts a crowd to you. So I love that mna. Yabo. So yeah man, yeah. And ukhanya inspired because ukhanyi akekho umuntu onxiba kanje ngokhanyi like kula wave yabo. Yabo. So that really inspires me to be different. That's why I'm like I try to be different as much as I can.
Yeah.
Yabo. Yeah.
Yeah, that's dope, man. That's really dope. And like I want to talk about the last weekend. Your first show.
Hey.
Your first show. We were there and we dropped content there.
Say Pumila content.
By the time the podcast comes out, this is obviously Pumile.
Right.
So tell me about the process, man, from getting the gig and like preparing and to the day that it happens.
Yo, sisebenzile. That's all I can say. Yokuqala sisebenze kakhulu. Yebo, shout out to team yam, shout out to HCC, friends of friends, like sisebenzile kakhulu. So it started from Yes, up. Yes, up. Kaloku to save the best for last.
Okay.
Yes, up.
Okay.
Too much of a cherry on top, kaloku.
Yes.
Okay, it started from the idea. Well, it's when like great minds think alike. Calling the idea la ndoleyana. Yabo because when I ad cover kakamompela like adali. Yabo like if photo shoot wanted no in criminal that okay I like this. We should go for this something different. Yabo and then your router from there again no music an idea no music any roll out. The route was different was like when act we were shooting a movie basically and people really thought I was dropping an album or something or EP or whatever but then it was an event guys imagine xa promote kanje events ubonza xa promote I project ish but man it started from there simane si shoot sidibanani yabo like ngino yeza kakuhle yabo and too much Wi-Fi of course was fun yabo transport and everything wabaphayana nika abantu vouchers ba online during the show.
I saw a lot of people complimenting that but like they
ngaki bebeqala experience
okay
beniqala lingaxoki bebeqala ishow ene Wi-Fi thina seke show is the Wi-Fi from now on ndibonile bayasebenza but then ihambe kakuhle event I don't want to lie bekugcwele benizijongela phansi actually bengabelieve bakungathi kugcwele kangaka but then bekugcwele people came ndabona nezinye influencers celebrity bebezela abantu yabo even though bezikhona izilingo abantu abayithanda intwenhle abantu
what do you mean is lingo now
but then
I hope ansizwe esinye sezilingo
njani kalo awucingi anzuma name drop inxaki bazoba famous
okay
yabo so bebekhona she but then kwadilwa nabo man yabo but then the event was like successful yabo it went really well
I went home before the aftermath, like the
Before
main
perform mina.
event.
Before
Yeah.
perform.
Yeah.
Yo ngobethwa musa.
Yeah, Dibdala, bro. I'm Dibdala. Alkwazi uhlala for that long
Yeah.
and transportation vibes. yabo la way.
Yeah,
So I couldn't
understand,
stay
I
that
understand.
much. I was like, ish. And sometimes I don't like Indao as crowded. That's me.
Because big man igcwala kakhulu.
Yeah. Like eventually I could see, but yeah, I'm like zoning out. Yeah, I understand. So I'd rather go home. Yeah, but it was nothing against anything. Yeah, but
Yeah.
it was just me feeling like, hey, I'm getting overwhelmed by the space.
Yeah, guys, bekugcwele ukhofa overwhelmed. Umeli wenza sold out events.
Like, who would you say that you were very impressed with?
I-performance.
Yeah. Besides you, of course, and besides Pro Child.
Why not Kanzothi?
Now I'm just saying.
Okay, Ulizile no Pabli.
Besides Lizzie, no Pablo.
Aibo.
That's too obvious.
Amen.
That's too obvious. Even the people who watch our content, that they know that's
okay.
Too
This might be
obvious.
offensive, ne? But then I don't remember their names.
Yeah.
Be open mic actually.
That's
Be
cool.
open mic. La machita they had Ski masks.
Masks. One of them who El Dinero.
I know with El Dinero.
Oh, he was.
Yeah, I know El Dinero. Beama na boy ke baba la machita. They ski mask. Ski mask is orange. Sing is black.
Yeah.
They performed the drill. Dude, that was dope. That was dope. That was my favorite performance. Shem.
Yeah.
That was my favorite performance. Shout out to them. You Anana come up yo. But then Gabo actually.
Yeah. That's dope. I like the fact that Obazi, and I like the fact that I'm gonna try and insert a clip, Yabo, because I think I do have a clip, Yabo. I'm gonna try and insert. I like that because for me, even when it comes to Black Couch Podcast, I always tell people I met someone there and they were like, yeah, I follow you and I'm a manager and I would like to get my artist into your platform. And I say to the person that Nayeka u allow applications to come in. Now talk to me and tell me to watch your work. And if then I'll bring you to the couch. So I like the fact that you notice them even though you don't know their names. The more they do the work, the more you get to realize bangobani. Yeah, understand. So I prefer that way in terms of it come up, because like it doesn't make sense for me to have an interview with someone that I don't know. Yeah, understand. It's about a job interview.
So wow,
yeah, those typical questions. They not for me, man. Honestly, they not for me. I'd rather connect with someone that I know that there's a lot that we can talk about. Yeah, understand. Like, what are you working on currently? Any exclusives?
I'm surprises.
Yeah.
The surprises. If it's drop it date.
Yeah.
Let date. Bomb. So I am working on something.
Yeah.
I've been working on something, but definitely be perfect because I'm going to need clues like no, that's why need clues.
Yeah. I'm sure manager Olel.
Unjamele ngoku
Uthi pass.
Unjoye ngamehlo enkomo ngoku. But then I am working on, because I believe people who've been there for me, they deserve that more than I deserve. Ngokwami drop something. They deserve the music. Yabo khona umculo zayo. Nizoyithetha qha kuba lo nyaka nizawuvala shema tobana line.
Okay.
Lo nyaka nizawuvala. But then something is coming between us and ngawara something is coming.
What's your take on have you listened to Holy Alpha's album?
Yes.
What's your take on it? Be honest. Akazukwenzani mama.
Nindenza bias ngoku. Nindenza bias because why?
Akazukwenzani mama cause noba uthethe something otherwise. She loves you so much and she's watching right now.
That album, okay, what I can say out of pure respect,
yeah,
usetyenziwe kula album
Yeah.
Setyenziwe. Like you can see ku-investiwe phayana and uyasibonisa uba yenziwa njani album.
Yeah.
Yabo, honestly. Uyasibonisa uba yenziwa njani and I respect her for that. Yabo,
Yeah.
I love that. That's a beautiful body of work between hayibo kusetyenziwe
Yeah.
phayana. I love that album and Angcwala is my favorite song. Shem.
Yazi. Ndingakhali kwaJohn beniphakamisa.
Phakamisa. Oh, hayi bazoba.
But I think mna for mna the reason why I relate. So mna I heard that song as an exclusive. She was performing with October last year. Imagine like that song has been
yeah,
on the waves.
Kwangoku was a Spano Sports scene.
Like
That
that
song was there.
was
Because I saw a video ku TikTok ejivela kwa Sports scene. They
Yeah.
had a dance challenge for it. Qumba. And then since then she's been performing.
Yeah.
Yabo. Yeah, she's been performing the song.
that was a maza, man. The time she performed it, like I was there shooting good October. Please guys check out the October event episode. I'm gonna link it on the description. That was a dope event. And next month in October again. God, time flies. And then,
Basibukela.
Kello.
Nisibukela. Yini? Hayibo.
Kello, talk to Kello. So like when she went off the stage, Damlandela, and she knows I love her so much. Like I love her so much, and I was like, yo, dude, Lengoma EP, where can I find this song? She was like, you are king. I got Pumi, but I'll let you know if I say Puma. Only to find out this is a Puma good album.
Your album.
That's crazy. And how she introduced the album, the makeover. I'm still gonna talk to her about that. She's coming through, guys. I don't know when, but she will come through. So I'll be talking about the album now. But like what's your top 3 songs, pa? I know it's not fair to like pick 3 songs, but like what's your top 3? Angcwala number 1.
Holy Alpha.
Holy Alpha, you're the one, you're the answer.
The letra ay.
In-
Kanta ilana. It's like they tell la vibe kwaito. Yeah, nala ngoma.
Yeah.
Yeah, those are my top 3.
That's dope. I think the same, excluding that song. I think Landau ya Longoma, I'll put in either Ubalele or the song she did with Usizwe Alakain. I like the vibe, Langoma. It's like very different. Yeah, and the way Usizwe approached the verse, that was dope. Like the catalog, even on the album itself, like the people who are featured on the album. You have Osmamane, you have Osizwe Alakain, you have K-Kid. I also love the song with K-Kid. It's a dope song. You have Elika or something like that. Just forgot the person. She does the song Holy Alpha. When if you do an album, what are some of the names that you would love to have on that project?
Oh, I love this question. Because when I'm not the Pupa Sham.
Yeah, no. I love dreamers, man. I hate umdocinga apa. Like I hate umdocinga apa.
Ingxaki yabona le mentality ndithi ndathanda uphupha.
Yeah.
Ndele ba ancingeli apha, like mentality, to be honest, instillwe ngu Submarine, my manager, yabo.
Yeah.
Because athi uthanda nje may ubig mfonini. Sosijongela phansi. Bo ndithi mina hayibo benisa showini. You know, Simiandazi. Of course, yeah, was. Go, okay, yeah. Okay, so if I would, not if. Okay, yeah, if. Yeah, the one and the hint. Okay, if thing is album. Ingano. Ivy Soul.
Okay.
There were some vocals, some jazz. There were yabona. If I would get Ukhanyi. No, Redondo. Yo, in one song. But we get Ukhanyi Redondo in one song.
Yeah.
I ain't been creepy career yam, I don't wanna lie.
Yeah.
But then features, I would not say features specific, but a sound type of different sounds. So it would be jazz, Afro soul, trap, rap, and rap.
Yeah.
So that's 4 different. Reggae actually and dancehall.
Yeah. Kujuta kaloku apho.
Ikwaito. Hayi,
Kujuta
Of
kaloku
course,
apho.
kaloku, of course, of course.
Legend.
Yabo, so I would have different sounds because there's a sound zizwe ezenza umeli.
Yeah.
Yabo, so I would combine those sounds.
Yeah.
Album yam actually.
Yeah. There's a question that I love to ask people who sit in this couch. I think you say a question yalapha ngokule. It's a two-way question. Yabo. So, what's that one thing that people say about you and it's not true? And what's that one thing that people don't know about you that you would love them to know?
One thing people say about me that is not true.
Yeah.
Which one do you holy alpha wanna be?
That's the lamest
Ke
thing
bo-
that I've ever heard.
That was la comment. It was a comment actually.
Yeah.
When you post, they mentioned me, so that's how I saw it. Watch Lamshita. Melizo Huli Alpha wanna be because wapina I post picture I can Huli Alpha for a year. And if you look at that picture, I was opening stage for Huli Alpha for the first time. Fully in the high school toy, and that was the third time I was performing Toga Alpha. So that was a highlight career yam actually. So that is that Leo.
F that guy. F him.
I'm sure he has solar got I'm sure he has solar.
Yeah, F him. Ingenaphi.
But then yeah.
Makaphine wakho umuntu kayakhe post.
Olilin guys. Olilin. Okay, and other thing, one thing about me that people don't know, I think they should know. Did you go fast?
Okay.
Did you short temper? Jabo. Then I try ngamandla onke. Yo especially ku show yami yo bethuna. I try ngamandla onke because I'm a people's person. The time to hleka and the time to hlala the time to fota. But then patience amingaka. Yabona ngavena ukujule ngempama ungabelieve. Yo,
Yeah, are you capable of that?
yabo exactly. Yabantu bayayothuka lonto because andifuni ukwaziwa ngalondo.
Yeah.
Yabo andifuni ukwaziwa ngalondo. Yabo. And andimthanda umuntu othi uhande khaba mina nekhaba.
Ulikhuzu nyani.
Yabo ndinesho themba mina but andifuna uzibasela ne because I believe umuntu othi uhande khaba mina akakhabi yaxoxa. Xoxa kakhulu. Yabo but then ndinesho themba shem.
Yeah.
I actually do.
Yeah. Talking about Londite F yena. There's so many people that kind of like give you shade.
Yeah.
Like, I want to understand because there was a point in time where buying Goku, ingati kuzaba quick cat fights with the females. What was going on? Okanye, what's your knowledge about that? Some you may not be like directly involved.
This is hip hop.
Hip hop,
Hip hop, dog. Such as funu rapper, so say rapper. So
yeah.
hip hop I think, like it's part of the culture from back then. Yabo xesha Tupac no Biggie. Into ye beef ne diss into khoyo.
Yeah.
Yabo into khoyo. And mina if I didn't mention you when wacingithela nawe yakho le.
Cinderella.
Yakho leyo mina sunifaka.
Cinderella.
If
the shoe fits.
If what you're doing is not gonna benefit me, I'm not gonna entertain it.
Yeah.
Yabo andizuyenza lonto because andibhoreka ukuqala ndibhizi gqit.
Yeah.
Yabo wena if uphelele icontent usivovuka ekseni waqomba umeli undisile. Chomi go to therapy. You're a therapist, Joe. You need to talk about your problems because unengxaki. Yabo. Yeah. Yeah, otherwise I know ngizo square ball. I know that.
Yeah.
I know that. As I go up, I know that.
Yeah.
And in the rating alone, guys. And I in the rate, I don't mean pendula.
Yeah.
I don't mean pendula at the same time.
Yeah.
But then if it's not gonna benefit me and it's not gonna give me money, why do I entertain?
Yeah.
Yeah. But yeah,
like,
man.
I honestly want to ask this one. I'll never ask it again. I just want to ask it.
Yo, kale ukuthi awuziphinda uyibuze.
I'll never.
I'll
I'm just interested because like dinithanda nonke. Like I'm one person who's like, if ndibone feud, I wanna understand it because xa ndidibana nawe anzuthi hayi ndithatha iside likabani. I'll vibe with you the same way I vibe the other person.
Yeah, because
I don't like taking sides.
Yeah,
Yeah, understand? So I wanna understand so that I know what's going on. Ndingathi ngenye imini xa ndisithi ndiyakubiza ndibiza nomnye kuske kushaya iqhoshululu. Yeah, understand? So, so as I've said in the beginning, when you were performing ku event Kaoli Alpha in the school, I saw a video that had Umandi Like on it. And then you guys were both good roasting session and you guys did your best good roasting session. And I started really following you. No Babin. And then all of a sudden I hear Umchita dropping it diss track. It's either you want to entertain it by answering or you don't. I'll respect both. What's going on?
As you go up, abazokuthanda bonke.
Yeah.
Yabo, bazokuthanda bonke. We lose friends, we gain friends.
Yeah.
Yabo, I don't know what's going on with him. Uzazi yena and ngendawo mna.
Yeah.
Yabo, like I said, if it's not gonna benefit me, if it's not gonna pay me, as we entertain.
Yeah.
So healing energy on you, me bro.
Oh yeah.
That's all I can say.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. I'll probably get his side on the couch soon. Don't know.
Hopefully.
Yeah. So that we clear things. Because I'm like around my space or like people that I know, I want good energy, good vibes.
Yeah, because mna anangcini nami mna, especially emfuleni dog. Like ayenza sense umfula umngaka.
Yeah.
Njani singazuthandana emfula umngaka.
Yeah.
I got to Grizzly on my first show, Grizzly was emfuleni.
Yeah.
Shout out to Grizzly. I got SPO all the way from Durban. Yabo inkabi yami like ngohlala emfuleni, he was there. OP, they were there. Like artists emfuleni, I made sure ba la line up half ya pha abantu basemfuleni.
Yeah.
So that's what I do mna. That's why leno ndithethe eqaleni ngale podcast ba I'm not there yet, but as I go up I try to take people with me, and when we got your own demons, leno ndithi people go through a lot.
Yeah.
They need a physiotherapist yengqondo. So yeah, man, it's so good otherwise.
Yeah. Now I wanted to know that because for me, like as I've said, like I want good energy all the time. I have so much planned. I don't want to talk about it. Like I'm same vibes with you. I don't want to talk about what I'm working on behind closed doors.
Yeah, man.
Hence I don't have time to attend events or be in the spaces because there's a lot of things that I'm working on and things that are gonna benefit artists, creatives, photographers, everyone. You understand? But I'm still keeping it under the shelves because I don't want them to be jinxed. You understand? There's a lot going on outside there. And the energy is like I understand. So I'm very careful about that. Yeah. I'm very careful. I want to ask you like one of the last questions. In terms of the industry, who's that one person that... It's another two-way question. There's 10 two-way questions. Who's that one person that when you met them, they showed you so much love that you were really, really overwhelmed? You were like, I'm a winner. And then who's that one person that you were disappointed to meet? Like when you met them, you were like, hey, energy yakho ayiyo lento bengicinga yiyo.
Yabona ngithanda name dropper mna. Ngithanda name dropper mna. I honestly don't like it because I know xa iphuma le podcast so bewundithega nime mention akuthiwa mina ubuzama uthini uyiza nayo ubuzama uthini. Yabo andithandi andithanda uqhushululo man.
No man. As cause uqhushululo. But I think I asked the same question ku who's this girl? Ushweli am. and she answered very well. Like, it was not about, because like I was trying to make people understand that sometimes your idol may not be the person that you think they are. And it's not a bad thing to have them as your idol. You understand? And also, everything that we see from his phone in, it's not all what it is. You understand? So there's a lot of young kids that I wanna be like Umei Lee. Now, instead of asking you a question that what would you say to Abandwana, I'd rather ask you questions about the experience, because a lot of influencers, a lot of artists, they don't talk about the real experience. And then numbers, you need to grow your numbers. Like, that's fake. That's really fake. You have to tell me like what's really happening. You understand? So that Nami, he hopes Zam's gonna be too high, because disappointment killed a lot of careers.
Yeah, but disappointments because by expectations.
You get what I mean?
Yeah, okay. So ndithi celebrity endadibana nayo, the two not celebrity but one of my idols.
Yeah.
No offense, man, ndithi awuyo celebrity ne but Kuphizo.
Yeah.
Aka
celebrity.
Kuphizo
Man. Akayiyo.
Okay, Nguphizo.
Akayiyo nyani.
Okay, kaloku.
Uthu yiyo wena. Hayi Godman yami akayiyo man.
Okay, takofi.
Akayiyo.
Okay, akayiyo.
He's like legend.
Legend.
Not celebrity.
Okay, yeah. I have a few, but then Nguphizo and Amontuka kakhulu.
Yeah.
Yabo. And sasikwi event esibaya. Yabo, and then I was he says Slots Pro, so Pro Child was performing, and then Dangena so performing Vumba, and then we perform, and then I performed The Way Me Down, and then when Vitoraze, and he was hyping me like, yeah, and I was like, Uphizo ka bendingayazi, because growing up kaloku isibli like ndilasibone ekhaya yabo, so sisters they're 30 something, but like almost 30. So badala bemamelo Uphizo, oh go nonqikilitye, so ndiqomba ngulomjita lona nango ucula ingoma yami ngoko, and then wacula number yam, and then my one follower everywhere and was commenting on my stuff, sharing those and that was really huge for me as a fan. Yes, that was really huge. Energy yakhe like was just pure. Yabo, like it's such okay, I the potential and everything. And also omunye umuntu namothokayo umchana kaMalume.
Okay.
Otherwise 360. Yo, shout out to you, my brother. Yo, okay, so I didn't expect any check Buso Banja,
yeah.
Because one black Broke Boys.
Okay.
Actually, Blakong Wake Broke Boys is the one that gave contact to Oslo, Paya Broke House.
Yeah.
So I got booked a clubhouse, and then money been bees and Payana, and then
so before that you never connected to Slol?
No.
Funny
thing wasn't fully
7-100.
No, my man.
That's why I'm asking. I'm like, come on. You remember when you were live?
Yeah, and Slol.
Yeah.
It was because of Mchana Kamalume.
You remember what he said?
What I said.
What he said.
Oh, what he said.
Yeah.
Cool.
When he saw me Bandi join in.
Hey, I don't remember.
Okay, leave it.
I don't remember. But okay, Uslolo wazana no ni manager yam. Taloid. Ngaba bazanayo like space up, and I didn't want to intervene in the relationship and everything. I will in there like the right time. And then I'm Mchana Kamalume like it tells me all the time and the potential and the future and everything. And then no enadibana naye one disappoint. Yo kubani kanen Simulation Reps.
Yeah.
Simulation Reps. Like I didn't expect him like to
be
like that.
Before you explain,
yeah,
I want to make it clear so that people don't think it's like bad vibes. I want to make it clear.
Yes.
Sometimes, guys, you may find out that the person you met them at the wrong time. They're not in the good space. Yeah, understand? Because, for example, Shirley M made an example about who. Oh, she didn't drop the name, but I knew Bangbani mna. Yabo. And then Wati Mhlaumbi, because Waisenzi video no Sinom Solo. Yabo. And then the other person was like very close to Sinom Solo. So she didn't want to cut the other person, but the other person started doing funny things. Yeah, understand? Probably she was not in the mood at that time to take a video. Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
But maybe on other days it would have been a different situation. You can continue.
Yeah, ngusim guys, but I'm not gonna go into detail about that. But then I believe why under pressure, I mean,
Yeah.
like he was under pressure, but then yeah, we cool man, no so no
Yeah.
no oh yeah man, yeah.
Yeah. I think I was listening to EP. Is it EP? Okay.
Based on Ivar.
Yeah,
I'm a
yeah.
big fan.
I was listening to the EP.
I'm
yeah.
a big fan.
Yeah, I
I'm
was
a
listening
big
to
fan.
the EP, and like one of my favorite tracks that is featured on Uspane no Guy onke. Yo, Ibilele.
See.
Yo, that's quite over. That's good vibes, yeah, bro.
Yeah.
That's nice music, and also what?
Onke, he's been showing me love, honestly.
Yeah.
Okay, Onke, I didn't expect that from him. Like he's been showing me love.
Yeah.
Shout out to him.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ish. Yes, abantu mna believe man Peter. But I not like man Peter, ne? But then it's surprising. But these people are watching me.
The thing is to tell you the honest truth, what's going on. It's the fact that we as people don't notice that we are growing. We think other people are growing instead of us. For example, we're talking about kids, me and my bro, and I was like, bro, ubona's light. I was zikhulile ngoku, but now we are cooler. You don't notice that because you are you. Like you stagnant.
Yeah.
You understand? Same applies when you're an artist. You always get overwhelmed by how much you are growing. That's growth. That's growth. Clean growth.
And I don't see my growth, Shem. Look, I think I grow every day because Ibona, it's me, it's May, cooling 100 followers in one day, 100 followers. Or May, yabona like mindset yako and attitude yako, improve, change. You're becoming more of a brand, becoming more of a star. I don't even know that. Otherwise, we really don't see ourselves growing. This is going as cool.
Yeah. But no, I really appreciate your come up, and like I want you to do like 10 times, 100 times what you're doing right now, because it's very hard, man, for like the artists. I don't want to lie. As much as Google social media, the thing is, the industry is very congested, and it's gonna be more congested up at Cape Town because we don't really have an industry. You understand? By industry, I'm talking about media outlets. I'm talking about headquarters companies.
Gatekeepers.
Nah, man, guys, cela singabaniki power eninzi ababantu.
Gatekeeper.
Cela singabaniki power eninzi mna. I hate ababantu. I hate nale concept yoba bazi gatekeepers.
Like who's feeling at you?
I hate that. Mna, there's no gatekeeper in my life. I don't care.
Powerful.
Yeah, understand? The thing is, there's like ordinary ways of coming up, like obvious ways, and then there's ways that are seen by intelligent people. Yeah, understand?
Yeah.
There should be a way for you to come up, bypass like gate. You get what I mean? I've been in spaces because can't thathe le benilindele ngayo la khanga nilindele ngayo ngithathe enye that igqiphambi kwakhe. You get what I mean? So khuphe la mentality, bro. Ikhuphe, because everything is limitless, man. Everything is limitless, and you are a brand yourself. You are growing a brand, and people are gonna fucks with your brand. Yeah, bro. And not everyone is gonna fuck with your brand.
That's powerful.
Yeah,
that's powerful. Very, very powerful. That's powerful. From this thing. Yeah,
man. Because like I think we slept at 4 a.m. on TikTok Live. Yeah, but this guy of mine who ISD from Stellenbosch, Kayamand. We're talking about like the game, the industry, and I was telling him a lot of things that he has to unlearn so that he can penetrate into the game, and some things that he needs to learn because there's a lot. And I like the fact that you have a team. The team will help you study those things. Yeah, understand? It shouldn't be only about taking pictures, going to events, doing all of those things.
Yeah.
In terms of strategies, there should be a strategist in
Hey!
your team. Yeah, understand?
George.
Someone who's gonna help mold the whole idea of Umeli.
Yeah.
Understand?
Yeah.
So now I'm like fly high
Oh.
as much as you can.
Aw. Le mthi mkhulu ke mina kusozawukhula lo mthi. Yakhula asifly thina apha. Okhade baba fly bayakhula.
Ngincengceshelwa ngubani lo mthi?
Bani
oncenceshelayo?
Hayi kalo. Hayibo.
I go pro child, I go submarine. Bani oncenceshelayo lo mthi?
Hayibo guys. Nini the people.
Oh, ngicabanga khona lo specific oncenceshelayo.
Siphi ngosithanga ntoni ngoku? Hayibo. Hayibo. Da.
Not really.
Okay, yeah, otherwise shout out to House of Lords. Bangcibisile namhlanje as always.
That's dope.
House of Lords, check them out on Instagram.
Okay.
Kabaphaya mfuleni ngoboda.
Oh,
They're the dopest stylists designers so
Yeah.
shout out to you guys.
Yeah.
Cool.
That's nice, man. Anything else you wanna add? Anyone working on anything that you wanna share from the camp?
Guys, xa ndisithi ndingu-antichrist, I don't mean yazi abantu bethanda ucikida into engekhoyo, ucikida into engekhoyo. When I say weigh me down, when I say I walk on top of ice, I'm antichrist because le nto lena edala ndifuna uyithetha. When I say I walk on top of ice, I'm antichrist, I don't mean F Jesus or whatever Christianity. Yabo. I mean, God, Jesus walked on water, mos kuchiwo.
Yeah.
Jesus walked on water. Yabo. So now I'm more on the
You're skating.
realistic side of it. Yabo.
Yeah.
I walk on top of ice. I'm anti-Christ. Yabo. The opposite of Christ, anti-kaloku. And it has nothing to do with the anti-ambit. Oh, that's common but in the Illuminati. Knowledge, guys, knowledge. Knowledge, yefundini.
Yafika ba.
Kuthiwa yinoni iminqamlezo neseko.
Kubani osayinileyo?
This is an ankh bethu.
Sayine ngegazi.
Sacrifice abantu. Hey, hayi bethu. Yawuthika. Ekhika chaba. Hayi. Ayi.
Yo, ay.
Ulazo oluncincile uyingozi.
Yo,
Very
kuthiwa
dangerous.
Egyptians xa sezikhumbule ekhaya ziyezikhale zithi I want my mommy.
Egyptians.
I
Boss.
I want my mommy.
I want my mommy. Okay. If you don't get it, you will never get it. But then,
But ukhona umuntu ongayazi i-ankh.
I think now they do.
Okay.
Because of my choice.
Yeah.
I think now they do. But they didn't before.
Yeah.
I think I asked Shem, I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
Like, cross a chain strange. It's not a cross.
Yeah,
Like
yeah.
Buddha, and it's not a cross.
Yeah.
Yeah, but
They should
Yeah.
learn about chematic, man.
yeah, I'm a very like spiritual person.
Yeah.
10 tradition, but I'm very deep about African art. But then Antan won't alone as if like
Yeah.
depends about choose a side
Yeah.
on what to believe because you have a right to your own religion. That's it. As
Yeah.
much as you don't choose your religion, but then it's collab.
Yeah.
But then, yeah, man. You should know about the ankh otherwise,
Yeah.
just in case.
That's dope. We learned about those things, man. And I'm a researcher. That's one thing people don't know about me.
Yeah.
I love researching, and I research about anything that I'm really interested in. Yeah, understand. Even now I'm researching about Gauteng, the province, and what's really going on in Gauteng. and the fundamentals of a
Hit beef guy El Nino no I fine.
Ay, man. Ay. But him. Do you think it's a beef?
Yabona.
Don't you think it's marketing?
Yabona funny thing.
Because he's gonna drop an album.
Uban I fine.
Yeah.
Mamela yabona mna. I think ingene kakhulu into ye game apha engqondweni yami because ngoku anisakwazi ujonga izinto as a fan.
Yeah.
Sijonga as artist as umuntu nami owenza i-marketing veni qomba niyasiqhela nina
Yeah.
anibadala fanele
Yeah,
nizenzayo
understand.
yabo but I really I believe it's not real
Yeah. It's not real.
it can't be real
Amakhrodman awakwazi kwenza
it
lana.
can't be in public
Yeah. Yeah.
isidima sayaphi bethu
No ways. No ways.
but then I don't think I find it needs in marketing anymore because
But he does though.
nyani
He does.
noma lento ndithanda umculo wakhe but I believe like we're still gonna listen to him.
Tell you one thing. Music industry is very cruel. It's very cruel. Kuzaba ku wave. Once the wave leaves you, bruh, there's about 5% of people who can make a comeback. Only 5%. Majority, they go down until you even forgot they existed.
I lose.
Lilo.
Yo,
Like, I'm being honest with you.
yeah, but you
Like,
don't
that's
see,
real. Yeah, I understand. So, also, that's what I always ask artists. Don't do music for hits. Do music for longevity. Because the minute you chase hits, you're going to crash and hit. And if you crash and hit, bra kuyagqithwa. Why abu semiti?
Semiti.
Ilabana labalungu.
Mia, usemiti nani?
Bayapi.
But then my take on that is bana
Why abu big cause?
aba wenza umculo bhadleyo. Yabo abantu they're more on the fun part yabo of music. Yabo if I was jivisa then esizokumamela.
Yeah.
Yabo on the fan side
Yeah.
yabo like there's only a certain percentage abantu abathi bafuna bars bafuna punchlines yabo and mina I had to struggle ngalondo because ndithi qenge boom bap ndithi qenge rap ndithi qenge English yabo and then abantu bafuna umuntu ozofika phakathi imeti aqomba I can do this now sona kanikwazi but then imentality yam is more on the educational part yomculo because this is not music yabo umculo is a powerful force iyafundisa yabo aqomba okay anifuna ufunda fine pretty girls love me ke usiculeni imeti yabo so that's what I'm doing that's why ngoku going to ikwaito kancinci nje ndiyokroba phakathi kula ndawo bakunjani yabo I have a few kwaito songs and I'm excited to share them with people because I've been performing them guys
yes I'll tell you one thing, don't lose your niche.
No, I'm not. You saw
don't lose your niche because the same thing that I told you on the beginning of this episode is that, or in the middle probably, is that I hate to give a power abantu begate. You understand? And I said to you there's ways to maneuver the industry. You understand? You can stand out from everyone. And there's a blueprint. There's artists that are always studying now and try to understand why are they like that. For example, Umandi Sityanjis. You don't have to see him on TV every day. You don't have to see him on Twitter trending. But Umandi Sityanjis, beko kwaphuma amatikiti ngoku kwathiwa na Umandi Sityanjis, Kirsten Bosch. Gone. Bag layer. You understand? So find your niche and stick to your niche. You understand? If it makes you happy, then people will feel the energy and get attracted to the energy.
Yeah. I know.
Yeah, bro.
I hear you.
We can talk all day, man. Your last words before we close, man.
My last words. I feel like Talan Bulela, ne? But I'm Bulela again.
Okay.
I want to thank you, Kukabandu, that you've been following me. ngelaa xesha lengqondi. People have been believing in my sound ngelaa xesha lengqondi till now. They've been there for me. Bayandifenda.
Bring back ingqondi sami yangena, guys.
Ingqondi yasiputha on bethuna. But ke I want to thank everyone who's been there for me, lo defend me xa ningekho. I appreciate them kakhulu. And I have a lot in the vault for Nina and for myself. So inintsi into ezayo. It's a lot. And ngithanda break and ngithanda unika hints, but then
Yeah.
Imibulelo.
Can I ask you something? Do you watch the podcast?
Ephi.
Leo kuyi.
Besandibukela kaNikhizi ngoku.
Okay. Who would you like to see on that spot?
Apha ne.
Yeah.
Khawubiza uTandlu torho. Yes, I want to. Utandlu, if you're watching this, I want to sit down with him, Utandlu, honestly.
Yo, you just gave me a task.
Ne?
I'm gonna fulfill it
Ne?
before the year ends. The reason why this is the task, ne? I respect people. If you're not ready to come to the podcast, I respect, especially if you answer to me and tell me, Uban Koreti. You understand? There's people like Phoenix or Backyard. You understand? He told me nicely. No man gatibana na ngoku. I know for a fact. Snip my baguette. He told me nicely. I'm watching you, King. This was at Andy ready. You understand? So with Undlu Elder Yam, I respect his space sake. Even the day he comes here, I'll make sure that you guys have the best episode.
Ne?
Yeah, understand. But it's gonna happen. It's gonna happen. Trust me. It's gonna happen. Yeah, we're gonna bring Undlu. Definitely.
I would appreciate that kakhulu. But then funa yam naye sit down podcast. So too. Ne challenging questions ngifuna umbuza zona.
Yes,
and phendula ndingi wisdom.
Yes. I get you.
Yeah.
And ndiyaphila mna xa ndimbona naxa ndingamboni naxa ndimmamela ndiyaphila all the time. Uyayazi. I don't have to even spill it out. Like uyayazi. That's a fact. Yeah, I understand. But I appreciate you so much, man. Thank you to you and thank you to your manager, Sab. Thank you to everyone who's been rooting for you because there's a lot of people who've been demanding you on the couch.
And so, I'm sure I was buzanga zonke into abacinga
I'm not that type of person, honestly.
I know that. I say educational podcast beef. Beef no bad beef.
Honestly, I'm always bringing people to celebrate them. And sometimes there's news those has pumela. But that's not my intentions about like my trend or something like that. I'm not about that vibe. Nah. AM podcast is not centered around that. I can't fake other podcasts. And I'm focusing on what I do, and I feel like that's the other side. People, there's a lot of people that can appreciate that other side because they don't find it elsewhere. Then they know where to find it. I'm your fixer. I'm your drug dealer. I'll deal with you.
Hey.
Otherwise, shout out to everyone who's watching, man. Thank you so much for the love. Shout out to Ikeja for sponsoring this episode. Shout out to my team, man. My team does so much incredible work. I've been looking at the old pictures, old videos. I'm like, guys, I love the consistency. And shout out to everyone who's supporting us. Everyone who just recently subscribed right now. I love you so much, guys. There's a very special podcast that I'll be bringing before this year ends. I'll always talk about it until it happens. And you'll know when it happens that that's the best episode that will happen this year.
President.
No. But it's someone that now when you watch it, you're going to be like, he said it.
Okay.
Yeah.
So
yeah. So stay tuned, guys. Stay tuned because it's definitely going to happen. And I'll give hints as time goes. Hints. And yo, guys, I can't wait. I just can't wait. Because like it's long overdue. And I respect Yena. Unfortunately, he or she, because it's our Jambisa. Otherwise, thank you so much, guys. I love and appreciate you. And we're out right now, man. It's your boy Car from out here in Cape Town. Ekukulete Barcelona matyotyombyeni kula hockey nepole. South Africa, man. We out.
Sure.